Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete a Telegram group, and now let's dive right in. Now, to delete a Telegram group, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And in order to proceed to delete a group on Telegram, guys, you must know that you will be required to be an administrator of that group which you want to delete. And after opening your Telegram, guys, all of the groups which you had created will be over here on this section. And at the top, you can see, guys, this is the group I had created earlier. Now, in order to delete that group, you can see the three dotted icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three dotted icon, and here it says the delete and leave group. Tap on it, and then over here it also says, are you sure you want to delete and leave the group? Also, it says the delete the group for all members. If you want the group to be deleted for everybody, tap on the box over here and then tap on the delete group over here, and then that group will be deleted on Telegram permanently. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete a Telegram group. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.